Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour because you're new to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So overall, the trend continues, and things have pulled back here a little bit. Pulled back relative to what? Well, if you've watched any of the past videos, you know that I've talked about that red line up there at the 11,100 mark being the key level of resistance. So that is where the first question is going to come into play. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. Question number one you need to be asking yourself is, well, where's the price at relative to 11,100? As long as, or, depending on how you answer that question, that'll dictate pretty much, the general framework of the chart. I mean, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually up above 11,100, well, at that point, it becomes very, just let common sense, gut instincts guide you, meaning, well, how far above 11,100 is it? And the further up above 11,100 the price may be, that is just a more bullish and, the stronger the breakout. So nothing complicated there. Very straightforward. Just let your common sense guide you. Now, you may be answering, well, Clay, no, the price is actually still down below 11,100. And at that point, that doesn't mean anything bad at all. As of now, like I said, it has pulled back, but this is just totally a healthy consolidation right now. So like I said, even if you're watching this 15, 20 hours from now and the price is still, somewhere down around here, that is still a perfectly healthy chart. Now, sure, it's not nearly as exciting as, the price exploding upwards or anything like that. But sometimes those boring periods are the healthiest because no price can go straight up. Consolidations need to happen. And like I said, as long as you're answering the question that the price is above 11,100, and second part of that would be and up above that green line right there, which says that 10,500, then healthy consolidation, is a very straightforward way that you could look at it. So just like I said, those are going to be the two main levels. Now, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below 10,500, at that point, I'm still not willing to say the entire chart's destroyed, but that would be a red flag that, yeah, maybe something's wrong with this current, trend here that's been underway. And of course, the trend being, right here. So again, down below 10,500, not the end of the world, but that would certainly imply that, the current nice upwards trend right now may have a flaw within it. But overall, 11,100, key level to watch number one. Key level to watch number two will be that 10,500 mark. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.